What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be testing Myth in Animal Company. So let's go. Okay, so the first one is that you can walk by if you combine a pickaxe with a crossbow. Crossbow. Where's the crossbow? Here it is. So I think you put it on top of it, maybe? So apparently, oh good. Okay. Apparently mines have lots of water, which I know of. And mines have caves. Alright, so the next one is that when you kill a mimic, I think it has a name. Oh my god, wait, this is mines? Okay, so it has a name apparently. Oh, it doesn't have a name. Okay, well that one's useless. It doesn't have a name tag. That's useless. Anyways. Alright, I'm back with my flashlight. So I think we should go. Yeah, guess who's back? I'm back. Back again. Okay, back. You're not killing me. Okay, I don't know where mine is actually. It can't be in there. Okay, well, we can't do this one. Okay. Okay, so the next one is if you throw a teleporter grenade into what's called like a unfinished area, I guess, it teleports you to like an unbound. So I hate scissors. I think it's scary. We're just gonna do it. Here you go. And now we just gotta wait.
Oh, okay. So which company is this?
Okay. Next one is if you use a if you use a grappler to a rocket, it apparently like flies you. So I don't know why you couldn't just use the rocket. So let's try that.
Susie, what does it mean? I'm not sure if this is a rocket launch.
Okay, another myth before the last is you fried a chicken with absolutely nothing but your hands. So we just on that chicken because he ran away. Okay. I swear there's like a little white dot that you could ride it with. Am I delusional? Dang it. Hold on, okay. Alright, that's all for... Oh, what the heck? Something is happening. Oh god, okay. That's all for today. I will see you in the next video and peace out.